Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial on effectively using LinkedIn to build and capitalize on an audience in LinkedIn. Whether you're targeting accountants, financial advisors, or business owners, this step-by-step guide will ensure your message resonates with the right professionals. The first and arguably most crucial step in crafting your LinkedIn marketing strategy is defining your audience. Let's dive deep into how you can identify and understand the right audience for you. You see, LinkedIn is a hub for professionals across various sectors, but not everyone will be a perfect match for your offerings. Here's how you start narrowing down your ideal audience. Step 1. Begin by pinpointing industries that naturally align with your services, such as accounting, financial services, consultants, small business operations, and legal services. Step 2. Drill down and filter to specific job titles that are most likely to benefit from your partnership with DCI. You're looking for decision makers who have the authority to sign up for or recommend your services. This could include roles like Chief Financial Officer, Chief Executive Officer, Accountant or Bookkeeper, Financial Director, Business Owner, or even office managers in smaller firms. Step 3. Consider the size of the companies you're targeting. LinkedIn will allow you to filter your search by company size or the amount of employees. A small to medium-sized enterprise might have different needs and decision-making processes compared to a large corporation. Tailor your message to resonate with the specific challenges and dynamics of these business sizes. Step 4. Consider the geographic location or your potential partners and referrals. While LinkedIn allows global reach, focusing on specific geographic locations where your services are most relevant or where you have legal jurisdiction can increase the relevance and impact of your message. This could mean targeting specific states, regions, or countries. We will always suggest first starting in your own backyard. Take advantage of your local market and opportunities you have that are close to home. Step 5 to building and maximizing your audience's potential is proposing the opportunity. As we refine our understanding of our audience, it's crucial not only to identify their challenges, but also to effectively communicate the opportunities your debt collection partnership program offers. So, we'll dig in on how to properly approach potential partners and convincingly present the benefits of sending business your way to help their clients recover past due accounts. When discussing the opportunity with potential partners, focus on how your program can create a win-win scenario for both them and their clients. We do this by first highlighting the mutual benefits. Here, you want to explain how partnering with you and DCI not only helps them solve their clients' debt recovery challenges, but also enhances their reputation as a problem solver. Emphasize that your services can improve their client retention rates by effectively managing sensitive financial recoveries. Next, you need to display that you understand their clients' needs. Demonstrate your understanding of the specific financial challenges faced by their clients. Discuss common issues like cash flow disruptions and the negative impacts of having high receivables. This shows that you're not just selling a service, but providing a tailored solution to a pressing problem. Then, explain the process clearly. Detail the debt collection process used by DCI. Be transparent about how debts are handled, the ethical standards you adhere to, and the technological tools used to ensure efficiency and compliance. This transparency builds trust and reassures your partner that their referrals are in good hands. Lastly, let them know that they're not just passing along a contact, but gaining a partner. Explain that we offer them training materials, co-branded marketing collateral, and regular updates about the clients they refer. This ongoing support shows commitment and encourages a long-term partnership. By taking the time to thoroughly define your audience using these detailed criteria, you can ensure that every message you craft is tailored and targeted, greatly increasing the efficacy and efficiency of your marketing efforts. Now that we've set the foundation with a well-defined audience, you're ready to move on to crafting a message that speaks directly to their needs and interests. See you in the next video!